A backstitch is a basic hand stitch where the thread is sewn in a back and forth motion. This stitch gets its name from the process, which results in each stitch going backward from the direction of the line you are forming. This stitch is a 2 steps forward, 1 step back, by leaving no space between the stitches. Due to its back and forth motion and the ability to get really small stitches, the backstitch is the strongest stitch you can use when you don't have a sewing machine. When using the backstitch for outlines or embroidery, always mark the pattern first with a removable pen or chalk. The top of the stitch looks like a series of small touching stitches while the back is overlapping. You can create the backstitch going from both right to left and left to right. This is great for simple straight lines, but can also be used on angles and curves. If you're stitching a curvy line, you can alter the length of the stitches to round out the edges and smooth out any sharp corners.